おはようございます。今週も3人子供がいるシングルマザーのリアルなアメリカ生活を見せたいと思います。今日は朝からウォルマートに行ってお買い物をしました。Hi, I'm Japanese single mother and I'm going to show you my life living in Georgia. This weekend I'm going to see my boyfriend and we are planning to make a vegan burger, so I'm trying to get stuff for a vegan burger and I also got donuts for kids. 今週は彼氏と一緒に過ごすのでビーガンバーガーを作ろうと話していて、ビーガンバーガーに必要なものをいっぱい買いました。なんか選べないからいろいろ違う種類のチーズとかレタスとかも買いました。あとパンも。So I couldn't decide which one is good and I actually wanted to try like different kinds. So I got like different breads, different cheese and different lettuce too. 見てパイナップル1個1ドル50セントなので買いたいと思います。Pineapple is only $1.50 so I'm gonna get it. What the? 誰かかじった？ I think somebody bit it. Okay, I got all the stuff and going home. 家に帰ってからは JT とお勉強をしました。When we came back home, we studied and we went to bank. 後で銀行に行って JT にバイバイしました。夜はフィリーペのヨガに行きました。At night, I went to Felipe's yoga class. 家に帰ってきてからネイルをやりました。これは厚さで色が変わるやつです。朝はご飯を食べてまたジムに行きました。In the morning, I went back gym and this is lift barbell class, but it was like substitute teacher and he didn't use the barbell, it was just dumbbell. バーベルのクラスを取って今日はサブスティテュートのティーチャーでカイルというインストラクターでした。で、バーベルが終わってからいつものズンバに行きました。今日のズンバのクラスもジェイミーのクラスです。So I went to Zumba class after and today's instructor is Jamie, my favorite class. このクラス結構なんか簡単そうでめっちゃ汗かくんだよね。みんなエナジーもすごいし、すっごいおすすめです。So after gym, I came back home and I cut the vegetables for the hamburger. 家に帰ってからハンバーガーの具材を切ったりしました。トマトと玉ねぎ切るのめんどくさいから家で行く前に切っちゃいます。玉ねぎ臭いからジップロックバッグに入れちゃいます。Onion is stinky, so I'm gonna put in Ziploc bag.And I got ready and I'm going to his house. 用意ができたのでアトランタに向かいます。彼の家に着きました。So I'm gonna put all of my stuff in the refrigerator. 食材を冷蔵庫に入れちゃいます。で彼と一緒にご飯を作りました。まずはポテトです。So we cooked together. And first we put potato. I got two kinds. 2種類のポテトを買いました。
I just want to get impossible then.
Why?
Because I've had it before.
It's good.
It's not as good as impossible. Because it's beef juicing, so it's kind of bloody. No, impossible, sorry.
No, this one is bloody too.
Okay, but impossible is more bloody.
Alright.
And the smell is different too. Yeah. Alright, so those are mine. Impossible also, they make the best chicken nuggets too. They're so good.
We have a lot of impossible.
Oh yeah, anything impossible is really good. Except for like their sausage, I don't really like. And I've never had a really good vegan hot dog. There's just for some reason it's never been that good to me.
What about?
But burgers is really good. The chicken's really good.
So everything impossible is vegan.
Yeah, 100% vegan. So they're
You don't want to eat at all,
no
like zero.
zero.
What?
Yeah.
What is? Well, if I didn't buy impossible, you would have
Yeah.
ate.
Yeah.
What? What is?
There's a famous romantic comedy called When Harry Met Sally, and a woman has like pretends to have an orgasm in a restaurant. That's what it was like.
Like you are like.
I was like, oh my god! Because I grew up eating burgers, and it was like this is the closest to like a burger I've had, you know, for 20 years.
Wait, is that good? 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
And then impossible 10 out
Yeah.
of 10.
Okay, and how long are we supposed to cook these for? Should we change it though? Because like we're gonna have to flip these. There's one here somewhere. Yeah, that's one I don't have. Yeah, sure. Oh, that's hot. And how long do we do the burgers? Okay.
I think it's not yet. Yeah, no, let's just do a little more. Triple wash. Maybe so you don't have to wash. Good.
And then these look better.
Which one?
Beyond looks better.
Better?
It looks better. It doesn't taste better.
I think we need to do
A little bit more.
more. It's too saggy. This.
Here's boom.
Good?
So the fries are going back or no? Just this.
You want me a little bit and then put cheese, right? Yeah, fries goes too.
Fries too.
Yeah.
Yeah, the cheese is not done yet.
You think this is done?
Yeah, those are done.
Then let's take
Okay.
this
Yeah, this is good. Onions, we brought mayonnaise too, you said.
Yeah,
Wow, great.
mayonnaise and the ketchup.
Great. American.
Burger,
Really American.
burger sauce. I don't. Well, if we gonna do it, we have to make it perfect.
Yeah, I like it. I agree.
Here,
Sure.
don't eat all.
No, I'm not gonna.
Are these cheese going to melt? Like last time, they
Oh
didn't
yeah,
melt.
right. I don't know. Hopefully. Yeah, just do randomly is fine.
Be perfect. Like I
Okay.
put the one each. I wanna try the impossible too.
Yeah, I'm not gonna eat 6. There's more cheese if you need more slices.
I think I need more. How many buns you want?
I think 2, because I'm just gonna do like double burgers.
2 double burgers?
Yeah, so I just need 2 buns.
Should we take it out?
Take,
The patties.
I don't know, let me see. I can't see it. Not yet, almost.
Maybe we can turn off
Yeah.
and then leave it. Right?
Yeah, turn it off. That's fine. You can sleep in there. That's good. Maybe you should like open a restaurant.
Me?
Yeah. Maybe you can do like Japanese vegan food. I wonder if it's any good. Because yeah,
Oh yeah, I burned a little
it's
bit.
okay. A little bit of burns. Yeah, pepper steak. That was always my favorite as a kid. I used to love steak just in general.
Oh my god, looks good.
Look at the burgers.
Oh, burger! Should I take it?
No, we're
take it
good.
out?
A little bit more.
Are you sure?
Yeah, but maybe the fries are good.
Okay,
Just do
well,
your buns first, then we'll take it out. All right, turn off the stove.
I can't. I think it's done. It's okay.
Yeah,
It's okay.
yeah. What does this have though? This has one ingredient in it that I don't like.
This one,
Yeah,
rosemary.
yeah.
I don't like rosemary.
No. It's too strong.
That looks good. Inside is done.
Okay.
It cooks.
You want to do yours first?
Yeah.
This cheese, like, this one is like, becomes like invisible.
Looks like paper.
Yeah.
The cheese is so.
That's weird. Yeah. I got a different order. That's okay.
You got tomato, onion.
No, where is it?
Here.
Oh, cool.
It's not white.
I was actually going to make that order.
Like
Yeah.
have the
It's real, right?
like
American
McDonald.
style.
No, like you don't want to have the McDonald like picture and the actual
Oh,
burger is different, right?
right.
Oh, it looks good.
Yeah, no, looks really good. We should put some salt on the fries in that version.
It wasn't salty enough.
I don't know.
Mixed together.
This is what?
So in Utah,
Utah?
yeah, I think it's in Utah.
Mix them together. Itadakimasu.
We didn't finish the holiday.
I know. I'm okay with that. That'll be good.
Okay, I'll try the
Okay.
impossible.
Alright. Messy.
Did we put like a
No, I
Towel?
think let's just move it closer.
they tried to imitate new patois? Or
No. No, it's good.
You know to do
I
it.
bought all this stuff just because I thought.
彼と一緒に草紙を見ながらバーガーを食べました。So we watched last sunrise standing. And after we made Lego together. ご飯の後はレゴを一緒にやりました。このレゴめっちゃ可愛いの。I was like, I can just hear.
Yeah, you can just listen. Yeah. No, dude, ride the horse to Tokyo. We're doing.
They had a rule.
They said you can't use a horse?
I don't know, but they have to stop
Oh, there's right
places.
certain stops.
Oh no, this one. We have to take this up and take this.
Oh, I didn't know
Yeah, it's this side.
that. And he got really fat. But he's still a really good fighter.
Kill.
Kill them, so he can just kind of hurt them. And one of them he ends up like hiring like to work. And I liked it when it first came out, and then I younger. Oh, he had no weapons, so he had to use like chopsticks and stuff.
He's very slim. He wants to. I thought he did.
Oh, cute. The pork buns got ruined.
Oh, so
So that's all he
wants.
cares about.
あなたが私を助けたいって思ったように、どんな人も誰かにとって大切な
She's
人
teaching him like even the bad people you kill,
They have
they have
somebody
somebody
to
who's gonna
share.
miss them. So it's a good lesson. Wait, I think I did it the wrong way.
You're too focused on TV.
I was just looking at it. No, because see, it's like this. But I was looking at it.
Oh yeah, you have to put this one here. 彼が好きな坂本デイズを見ながらレゴを作りました。でも彼集中できなくてちょっとヘルプしてあげました。すっごい外寒くなってきたんだけどアイスクリーム食べちゃいました。So outside is cold, but we had ice cream together. Okay, it's in the morning and look outside is everything is so icy. つららがあるくらい外が凍ってます。で、まだ少し眠いです。見て。バルコニーの床もツルツルに凍ってて、つららが椅子にもあって、見て音聞こえる？アイス。凍ってるから木とかも音をしてます。So because of the icy cold, like you can hear the noise of the trees. 洋服着替えてちょっと髪の毛とかメイク直しをしたいと思います。So I'm gonna change clothes and do my hair and makeup. 昨 日使った食器を洗いたいと思います。これ昨日のレゴめっちゃ可愛い。で、お仕事しました。彼が起きたのでコーヒーを作ってくれました。So he woke up and he made coffee and we are both doing work. 彼もお仕事してて私もお仕事してました。夜になったのでコストコで買ったこの食べたことないんだけどこれを食べてみたいと思います。So I got this thing at Costco. I'm not sure it's good, but I would like to try out. And we're gonna have this noodle for dinner. So I'm going to make noodle and burger. So we have some kind of protein. And I'm so making the salad too. サラダとヌードルと昨日のバーガーのお肉をタンパク質ないから作りたいと思います。バーガーのお肉は炒めちゃいます。ビーガンのお肉めっちゃ美味しいよ。見た目も美味しいでしょ。And I made grilled cheese sandwiches too. グリルドチーズサンドイッチも作りました。見て美味しそうでしょ。で、食べやすい大きさに切ります。たらーん、できました。So I'm done making salad, noodle, grilled cheese sandwich, and vegan patty I cooked. Looks really good. We're gonna watch Napoleon Dynamite and eat. ナポレオンダイナマイトという映画を見ながら食べました。食べた後はまだちょっと雨が降ってて彼が危ないからもうちょっとしてからがいいなって言ったので雨が止んでから家に帰りました。でもなんかちょっと降ってきたかも。で、全然道路に車ありませんでした。There was no cars at all on the road. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. 今週もビデオを最後まで見てくれてありがとうございます。ビデオのいいね、コメント、チャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。また来週ね。バイバイ。